If you want to use IFR Flight Trainer Simulator on multiple devices, you only need to purchase the app once. You are then entitled to use it on your phone, iPad, and even on your family members' devices. On these devices, you can restore your purchase by logging into the IFR Flight Trainer Simulator, pressing the Menu button in the bottom right corner, and then pressing the Restore My Purchase button on the displayed menu. You can also reset the purchase this way if you reinstall the app on the device where the purchase was made. It's important to use the same Apple ID on all of your devices. To use the IFR Flight Trainer Simulator on your family members' devices, that person must be listed as a family member on your device. You can check or set this by selecting Family in the device settings. A quick tip: if you reinstall the app, the limited offer starts over again. We hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and learned something new about the FlyGo IFR Flight Trainer Simulator. Don't forget to try all the other FlyGo applications too. Fly safe and see you next time.